To create a workflow in Jira 2025, start by understanding the key concepts involved in workflow creation. A workflow is a series of steps that an issue goes through from start to finish, and it can be customized to fit your team's specific needs. First, navigate to your Jira instance and select the project for which you want to create a workflow. Then go to the project settings and click on Workflows. This will take you to the workflow editor. In the workflow editor, you can create a new workflow from scratch or copy an existing one. To create a new workflow, click on the Create Workflow button and give your workflow a name. Next, add the statuses that you want to include in your workflow. For example, you might have statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can add these statuses by clicking on the Add Status button. After adding the statuses, you need to define the transitions between them. Transitions are the steps that an issue goes through as it moves from one status to another. To add a transition, click on the Add Transition button and select the status that you want the issue to transition from. And to. You can also add conditions, validators, and post functions to your transitions. Conditions determine whether a transition is allowed. Validators check that the issue meets certain criteria before allowing the transition. And post functions perform actions after the transition is complete. Once you have set up your workflow, you can publish it and start using it in your project. It's a good idea to test your workflow before publishing it to make sure it's working as expected. Best practices for creating workflows in Jira include keeping your workflows simple and intuitive, using clear and descriptive names for your statuses and transitions, and documenting your workflows so that they are easy to understand. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective workflows in Jira 2025 that help your team work more efficiently and effectively.